A layer of diamonds may be sitting near the Earth's core, according to a new study. Scientists at Arizona State University say the heat and pressure at the planet's core-mantle boundary could be creating an amazing fortune in diamonds deep below the surface. Hi there, I'm the Study Finds guy, Jeff Allen. This is the latest from Study Finds. Please be sure to like and subscribe to get all of the latest updates. Okay, now I'm not famed economist, former Fed Chair Alan frickin' Greenspan or anything, and I don't want to be a buzzkill, but you know, folks, I've been talking about the possibility of diamonds on asteroids and on other planets and even raining on other planets and abundant now in the Earth's core. But if we find an endless supply of diamonds, remember what happens. They're no longer rare or valuable. So keep that in mind for your future investments. Okay, let's press on. The study explains that one thing geologists are sure to find near the core is rust. On the surface, steel rusts with exposure to air and water. At the Earth's core, the oceanic crust, which sits on top of tectonic plates, falls into the interior in a process called subduction. This crust contains hydrous minerals, that's watery minerals, that sometimes make it all the way to the core mantle boundary. Study authors note that the temperature at this layer is more than twice as hot as lava, making it hot enough for the hydrous minerals to release water. When that occurs, a chemical reaction takes place similar to steel rusting on the surface. Researchers say that's not all, though. As carbon comes out of the melting iron metal alloy, it turns into diamonds. They found all this out by simulating this reaction in their lab by compressing iron, carbon alloy, and water together under conditions scientists would expect to see at the core mantle boundary. Wait a minute. So they're making diamonds in a lab? Okay, that's what it sounds like. Since carbon is an iron-loving element, scientists believe there's a large amount of carbon in the Earth's core. Researchers note that roughly 90% of the planet's carbon may sit down there. In fact, scientists have recently found much more carbon in the mantle than they expected. They gather a lot of this info by studying seismic waves as they travel through the Earth. Each change in wave propagation tells a lot about what those waves are traveling through. That's how they intend to prove their diamonds at the center of the Earth theory. Hey, that would be a great Paul Simon song. Google it. Researchers say since diamond is extremely incompressible and less dense than other materials at the core mantle boundary, the seismic waves should move exceptionally fast through them. Okay, me talking here. Good news. Yes, they can find out if there's a plethora of diamonds at the center of the Earth. Bad news. Probably not any way for us to mine that far down to get them. Good news. That means diamonds are still worth more than beach sand or dog poop. You can check out more info on this and other studies by clicking the link in the description below and head on over to studyfinds.com.